948. Learned it? Now you know it's easy for you, right? Only when you tell that once and repeat it again inside you and then share it to somebody else, knowledge becomes very easy for you. Acharyat padamadatte padam shishya somedaya padam sa brahmajaribhya padam kalakramenaja. Brahmajaribhya means with my friend I will share. So always share and learn. That's the best way to learn. If you don't share, you are not going to learn anything in your life. So knowledge has to be shared. All the time keep talking to somebody else. To talk to somebody else you learn. Then that learning become perfect. Okay? Any more questions? See, aliens are there. Visible, non-visible, invisible, which comes, which goes. There is no proof for such things. No. Energy. There are two things which can preserve a lot of energy. One is pyramid. Second one is dome sort of a thing, right? So structures are created always like that. And it is easy to construct pyramid than domes. Therefore, they took that structure.
Scientists pulsar signals aliens signals.
That is what I am saying. That is what people say, but there is no, again, as somebody asked, whether there is a proof or not, we don't know. The signal alone is not enough for some animals or aliens to come. That's one of the things which is, aliens itself is a big question mark. UFOs are also like that. We don't know whether it is. There are all dreams of people or maybe myth of people, whether they create some sense of it is there like that. But we don't know if it's really right or not. There are a lot of objects, lot of creatures which comes from space, which could come here and go. There could be microparticles also. We don't know what is it. But what can be seen, what cannot be seen. Like, don't compare it with some movies, what you see and all that. That's all confusing and creating havoc in the thought process. That is what I'm saying. So don't believe on YouTube on such movies, which are not really true. Because they were just wanted to get hit, they keep creating such movies. There are no scientific journals or papers which talks about this. There could be a lot of movies, okay, but not the real scientific journals.
So, negative energy, positive energy.
Creativity can be improved by discussions and debates, looking at things and then see what can be done. Okay, did I show you one picture in which one person was moving and a lot of the other person who was moving beside was trying to connect? Sometimes it is risky, you don't know what is going to come. You have to take a lot of chances in which some of them may click. So you should be ready to take risk so that you understand there is something going to come in that. So you have to be ready to take risk, create a lot of opportunities to make something out of it. Something will come true, something may not come true.
Sir, why are the planets revolving in elliptical orbit?
That is because when you take a rope, then try to rotate like this, it will never rotate in a circle if it is pulled by something else. Correct? There is one planet which is pulling that planet. There is another planet pulling from there. All of them are not equally placed. Therefore, the attraction of that will make it closer to that. And the universal gravity, capital G, is not very right all the time. Therefore, it becomes an orbit instead of the elliptical orbit than a circular orbit. No, I am not. I am going back to We'll see you sometime somewhere.
Why the insects? We know that our biodiversity is equally balanced. But why the insects become devils for farmers?
No, insects are not devils for farmers.
But we do that.
That is because we don't want whatever we cultivate to be eaten by insects. Right? Therefore, what we do is what is called as GM foods, genetically modified tomato we make, which will not be eaten by insects. Why insect is not eating? Because there is no energy inside. So what are you eating? You are eating without energy, right? So is it helpful or not? To identify the best fruit, you must take the whatever is eaten by insects. Your best mango will be the one in the total ripe time. When you cut it, you will see lot of worms inside. Correct? If it is not there, that means the mango is not good. So do you want good mangoes or bad mangoes?
Sir, I want to be a space scientist, so how can I prepare for it?
You are in +1 now.
Yes.
So the best thing to become in the space department, not space scientist. Space scientist is different and the space department is